Can you imagine a snake hunter, a snake eater eating rice and pulses? This is the prey bird. Watch how this prey bird eating rice and pulses mix rice. Wild crow are standing to see. He want to thrust them, but she goes heavily on wild crow. Watch how firmly now he will go to drink the water. Watch. See, what is the situation of the wild crow? And simultaneously, a squirrel also there. See, a squirrel, wild crow. This prey bird, a snake hunter. Watch how the brown wing and wow. Watch how he running, shooting on the crow, wild crow. This bird is fearless. He fear only to the human and monkey. But even hawk also fear of this bird. The prey bird went on second place also. What? The squirrel is watching here for food. Watch how looking from the tree trunk. One squirrel is standing on tree trunk. One is there, one is there. But he is a fighter squirrel, so he stand there. All are kids, so he keep away. A squirrel try to eat rice also, but it is more interested to eat bread, biscuit, or dry grain. Still, everybody eating there. Multiple squirrel are there. Just come here. Watch. Two more wild crow landed. One is here. Come. Hello. Hello. This squirrel want bread. So warning here and there. Now there are multiple squirrel. This also he want to come now, but again goes up on the tree. Watch. This is a kid's squirrel. So it hesitate or in fear. Now he trying to come again return back.